Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Shakti Yoga with Shaili. In today's video, we will learn how to get into Mandukasana. Mandukasana is a seated pose which has many benefits. Mandukasana stimulates the entire abdominal region. All the organs in the abdominal region are stimulated, thereby promoting smooth functioning of the organs. Now, if all the organs in this region, which actually is the powerhouse of my body, they are working fine, there isn't going to be any indigestion, constipation, or bloating. Mandukasana aids weight loss. It controls diabetes by stimulating the pancreas. While you are in Mandukasana, the spine, knees and ankles are getting a very good stretch, and in females we get relief from menstrual discomfort when this position is practiced regularly. For Mandukasana, we need to sit in Vajrasana. How to get into Vajrasana? Sit with your legs out in front of you. Take both your hands to the left, shift your weight over there, slide your legs in. Now from here, ensure that your big toes are together, your hips are in between your heels, your knees are together, hands on the thighs, a straight spine, relax. From here, place your hands on your belly button with your right hand on top of left. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you bring your navel in towards the spine, as in you squeeze in your abdomen. At the same time, while exhaling, you bend forward, keeping your elbows out to the side. Now you can either stay here, keep looking forward, or you can go down and touch the floor. We have to ensure that our hips are touching the heels. Stay there for a count of 6. Inhale, and you slowly rise back to the seated position. Release. This is how we do it. Another way is you make a fist with your fingers covering your thumbs like this, and then we place the fist on the either side of the belly button. Take a look. This is how we do it. So let's try it this ways, and we will do it 3 times. Every time we go down, we will hold it for a count of 6. So choose your hand position. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, exhale fully, bringing your navel in towards the spine, bending forward. Again, ensuring that the contact between the heels and hips isn't lost. Go down only if your hips are still touching the heels. Holding the position for a count of 6. Inhale and come up. Release. Breathe normally. Let's do it the second time. Placement of the hand, completely your choice. You want full palm or fist. Deep breath in. Exhale, elbows pointing out. Start bending forward. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now start coming out of the pose on the inhalation. Release the pose and breathe. We do it 3 times, so let's do the third round. Place your fist or hands. We take a deep breath in. As you exhale, exhale completely, bringing your belly button in towards the spine. And on your exhalation, start bending forward. You can either stay here or go all the way down. Hold it for the count of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and rise. Release and relax. Now, who shouldn't be doing Mandukasana? If you are someone who has knee or ankle injury, if you are someone with recent stomach surgery, if you are on your periods, if you are pregnant, you must stay away from Mandukasana. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Namaste.